Hi guys, Jenny again on your YouTube, aka Sexy Jen on your Instagram. Yes, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to do this look. Yes, this is my everyday look, my go-to makeup, using only 5 to 6 items. Would you believe that? Yes, of course, it's possible as long as you have all those makeup, no matter what's the brand or the price, it doesn't matter at all. So, are you ready to do this one, guys? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 easy steps. So, let's do this one! First step mga moms is Bisaya na dayon. Change language kumbaga. So, first thing in doing your makeup is prep and prime. So, since prepared na niya akong now, kanaligo na ako kagahapon. Naligo na ako kagaina. Yes, what char ha, basta naligo na ako before filming this one. So, in my case, I am using an anti-imperfection cream. And then, pwede sa moisturizer or any primer, basta di lang primer dyan sa pintura ha, kanang sa kiwang sa pila, pwede nyo mga liog mga moms. And then, next step is concealing. Yes, since we are staying away from foundation, so you can use any type of concealer na ganahan mo ginagamit. So put it under your black under eye, blemishes, kanang mga skin imperfections, and all other discolorations in mong face. Sama sa ako na dili gifted, but then thank you Lord, biskaning ani ko, ing ani na job ko. So murang nabutang naman ako sa tanan akong kiwongs, no? Ang ending, murang ako siya foundation. But then don't worry, this is so light in our skin. So next step is blending the concealer or the products that you have put on your face. So using a kanang damp beauty sponge, unsay Bisaya sa damp, basta medyo basa-basa siya, pero di siya kanang wet should ha. Or you can use also your fingers in a dab-dab motion, imuha siyang i-blend sa imong face. So ayaw lang siya idot mga moms, alright? Next step mga moms is setting our concealer with any setting powder. So pwede po na biskan ordinary baby powder, pwede na siya, basta dili lang ng any baking products or baking powder kay sobrahan tag kaputian na aside pud ana maka-dry og skin. So we need to conceal para mo set siya og maayo sa imong skin, absorb niya, alright? Moving on to the kilay goals mga moms, of course, first step is to give your brows a comb through para dili siya magkalkag, as what I have said. So after that one, magkuha tag eyebrow pencil, which is very comfortable for us, labaw na pang everyday. Pero kung gusto jud kag plakado everyday imong life, hala sige pag brow pomade para lami kay ang result mga moms. But then this one, I'm showing you na kanang dapat the tip here is that atong eyebrows dili siya same og color tanan kay mura kag check sa Nike bitaw moms, ingana ang dating pero inverted lang ka. Pero dapat siya kanang, as I've said, lighter sa inner corner and then darker sa tail part. Alright? Next step is eyeliner na is very kadugo pero lavan lang gihapon ta mga moms for the erpaliness. Okay, the technique here is kanang line your inner corner of your eyes that is very close to your lash line, o dara jud na siya, idikit jud na mo siya maayo, and then dragging it all the way down to the outer corner in a thicker kanang size. Pwede ra magud pag Bisaya ma'am, uy ngano mag-English man gyud, bagaon na siya sa pinakalas, and then butangi og wing kung gusto ka kanang na ay glamour effect, o di ba? Yes. Last step is lipstick, pero which is dili jud ni siya last step gud diri sa akong video. But then I just wanted to show to you na po na ang mga English niya nga pwede ra gud nag-Bisaya o lagi. Okay, so nawala na ko. Okay, lipstick. This is not only a lipstick, but then of course this is my holy grail, 3-in-1 product, lipstick, blush on, and eyeshadow. Pero mapasaylo pa ko ninyo nga nung naman ko eyeshadow, good nakalimot ko film. Uy, wala na ko siya na play. Uy, sorry lang. Uy. Anyway, next time I'm gonna show you how to do it. Yes, I use it as my eyeshadow and my blush on too, and then lastly as a lipstick. O, diba? Show me that lips, ma'am. Malamigo si madam. O, di na kailangan fillers, besh. So, kani siya nga step is kanang ako ara ni siyang gipakapino because I wanted to show to you or to give a dimension to my face, pero wa man gihapon, wa man na show ang dimension asa man be, wa man. Okay, fine, bye. Yes guys, this is the final look of the day, my everyday go-to makeup. Yes, I hope you have learned something today which you can apply to yourselves also. And remember, as I've always said, practice makes perfect. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. See you again next time. Bye!